Hi, welcome to Conquer the Concept, and in this video, we are going to learn how to read binary. Binary is a numeric system that only uses two digits, 0 and 1. Computers operate in binary, and they store data and perform calculations using those only 0 and 1s. And the 0 and 1s represent a on and off, or yes or no, or true and false when they're written. So the normal way that we've been all using is operates on a 10 base scale. It's the first digit is 10 to the power 0. The second is 10 to the power 1. And the third is 10 to the power 2. And we've assigned values to these, the ones, tens, and hundreds, and then so on. So binary operates only in a two base system. So the first digit would represent 2 to the power 0. Then the next would be 2 to the power 1. The third would be 2 to the power 2, and then so on. So it would be 1, 2, 4. So if you had to make a number, you would find the process to find how to represent the number in binary would be that you would find the closest number to that number, the closest power to 2, power of 2 to that number, and then write a 1 on top of it, and then keep on going. Let's try a problem. So the problem is express 19, 40, and 65 in binary. So let's just draw. Okay, so 19. So let's go through the powers of 2 and see which one is closest to 19 without going over. So 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2. 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. So 16 is the closest. So let's draw the place values. So 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, and we said 2 to the power 4 is our closest, or 16 is our closest. So we would write a 1 here. So now we've now represented the 16, so all we have to represent now is the 3. So we go down our list of 2's and see which one would work. So 2 to the power 3 is 8. That's too much. 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. That's as well too much. 2 to the power 1 is 2, and that works because so we would write a 0 on top of the ones that don't work, and we would write a 1 on top of the ones that did work. And in this example, it's 2 to the power 1. So now we've represented 16 and 2, so that's 18. So now we have to represent 1, and 2 to the power of 0 can do that. So you represent 19 by 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. That's how you represent 19. Let's do with 40 now. So remember, our first step is to find a power of 2 that is closest to 40 without going over. So 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2. 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32. And 32 is our answer. So let's draw a couple of scores. And this is really helpful drawing the horizontal lines underneath when you're beginning. So 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 1, and then 2 to the power 0. So 2 to the power 5 we said is the closest. And that's 32. So we have a 1 there. And now all we have to represent is 8 because 40 minus 32 is 8. So 2 to the power 4 is 16, and that's too much. So we would put a 0 here. 2 to the power 3 is 8, and that works perfectly. So we would put a 1 here. And then now that we have our number, we can just put zeros on all the remaining values. Okay, now let's go to 65. So let's think. Let's go down our choose powers and see which one is closest without going over. 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2. 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32. And 2 to the power 6 is equal to 64. So 2 to the power 6 is our closest one. So let's again draw the placeholders. Oh, what? Why does... Okay. And then... Okay, so let's draw 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, and then 2 to the power 6. So 2 to the power 6 is our closest one, and that's 64. So all we have to represent now is 1. So 2 to the power 5 is too much. 2 to the power 4 is too much. 2 to the power... Let's make that... 2 to the power 3 is too much. 2 to the power 2 is 4. It's close, but it's still too much. 2 to the power 1 is 2. It's too much. And then 2 to the power 0 is 1, and that's just enough. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. It represents 65 in binary. Okay, if you like this video and learned something, please... If you watch this video and learn something, please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thank you.